Welcome to Zia's Kitchens. Today, let us make vada curry. This is very simple to make and at the same time very tasty recipe. This will be a very good combination with appams, dosas or even for idlis. Now let us start. For this I have taken 1 cup of chana dal soaked in water for more than 1.5 hours. After that, drain the water and add it to the mixer grinder. Add 2 red chilies, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and little salt and grind this coarsely as we always do for making vadas and keep it aside. In a pan, heat the oil. We are going to fry these vadas. If you are health conscious, you can even steam the vadas and we can make the curry. Fried vadas or in the steamed vadas, anyways, the curry will be very tasty. Make small vadas. Do not make in the normal size. When both the sides are done, just take it out. Now the same way we have to fry all the vadas and keep ready. Now let us start making the gravy. For this, in a pan add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the whole garam masalas, 4 to 5 cardamoms, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 star anise, 1 piece of bay leaf and 3 to 4 cloves and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Now add the onion. I have taken here 1 medium size onion chopped. When it becomes translucent, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now saute well. Add green chilli. I have taken only 1 green chilli here. If you want to add more spice, you can add more. And little of curry leaves. Just saute well. When the raw smell goes, add the tomatoes. I have taken 2 medium sized tomatoes chopped. Saute well. Add salt for this gravy. Now let us add the spices. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, cumin powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Just mix and saute well. When all the raw smell goes, add 1 cup of water. 1 or 2 cups of water you can add. We have to add enough water because this vadas will absorb the water. Now add the vadas. When the gravy starts boiling, add the fried vadas into this. If you want the gravy thicker, you have to add less water. If you want more gravy, you can add little more water to this. Meanwhile, let us grind the coconut. I have taken 2 to 3 pieces of coconut and 4 numbers of cashew nuts and just grind this. Now add it to the gravy. Now let it also boil for 4 to 5 minutes. Finally, add little mint leaves and coriander leaves. Now this is almost done. Now it is ready to serve. It looks yummy, at the same time it also tastes yummy. Please do all try and give the feedback. Meanwhile, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to click the like button.